Idioms Activation Pack. ARM idioms. To be up in arms. Being up in arms means being very angry about something. The whole village is up in arms about plans to build a new runway. Have one arm tied behind your back. If you say you could do something with one arm tied behind your back, you're saying that you find it very easy. I've assembled so many flat-pack pieces of furniture that I could do it with one arm tied behind my back. Cost an arm and a leg. Something that costs an arm and a leg is very expensive. Upgrading all the systems is going to cost an arm and a leg. Lay down your arms. If you lay down your arms, you surrender or stop fighting. Eventually, the terrorists will have to lay down their arms and sit down at the negotiating table. Strong-arm tactics. If you resort to strong-arm tactics, you resort to using force. We need to negotiate with the strikers, not try to use strong-arm tactics. Keep somebody at arm's length. To hold, keep somebody at arm's length means to avoid getting too friendly with them. Outside of the office, I always keep my work colleagues at arm's length because I want to keep my personal and work lives separate. Have a list as long as your arm. Having a list as long as your arm means having many things to do. Everyone's going to have to do some overtime this week. We've got a list as long as your arm of things to do. To give your right arm. If you would give your right arm for something, you want that something very much indeed. I'd give my right arm to be ambidextrous. Welcome someone with open arms. To welcome or greet somebody or something with open arms means to be very pleased to see the person or very pleased with the new thing. Despite initial reservations, the entire population has welcomed the immigrants with open arms. The long arm of the law. The long arm of the law is a euphemism for the police or law in general. Criminals are always looking over their shoulder, always afraid of the long arm of the law. Twist someone's arm. If you twist someone's arm, you're putting pressure on them to do something. After I twisted his arm a little, he agreed to help me. Chance your arm. To chance your arm is to take a risk in order to achieve something. When I decided to leave the job and start my own business, my colleagues thought I was chancing my arm. To bear arms. To bear arms is to carry weapons. The problem with young people today is that they all feel they have the right to bear arms and are often too quick to use them. Idioms Activator. Now that you've seen, heard and read the idioms and their meanings, it's time to activate them and make them part of your active vocabulary. You can do this by using the Idioms Activator, which I've designed to give you plenty of practice in listening, reading and writing the idioms you've learned in this Idiom Activation Pack. Welcome to the Idioms Activator. 5 random exercises designed to make these idioms part of your active vocabulary. For a new quiz, refresh your browser. Click the Start Quiz button to begin. Yes, that's right. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Outside of the office, I always keep my work colleagues at arm's length because I want to keep my personal and work lives separate. Yes, that's right. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. The rebels are laying down their arms, so we could have peace by Christmas. Yes, that's right. I have a list as long as my arm. Yes, that's right. The general told his soldiers to lay down their arms. Yes, that's right. Well done, you passed. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of the vocabulary used in this activation pack. The dictionary gives you the meanings of all the words used in this activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the activation pack. Idiom Activation Packs. These idiom activation packs are designed to help you activate your English skills. I've been helping students learn, remember and use the all-important idiomatic expressions for many years, and now I want to reach many more students by using the latest technology. I've designed these idiom activation packs to make learning British English idioms as easy and enjoyable as possible. You can pay what you want for each pack, or you can get unlimited access to my growing library of activation packs with a membership subscription. Membership subscriptions. Britlish now offers 3 memberships from just €8 a month: monthly, biannual, annual. Each membership subscription gives you unlimited access to the rapidly growing library of activation packs at Britlish.com. Learn more at Britlish.com.